Hi, I'm Oscar Embid, a tow bar installer for Enganches Aragón. Today, I'm here to present the Aragón NEXUS kit to you. It is a specific, reprogrammable kit that adapts itself with just one single reference to a multitude of vehicles. Through the use of NFC technology, and with the help of the Enganches Aragón app, we'll be able to configure our Aragón NEXUS kit for a vast number of vehicles that use the CAN bus protocol. With the Aragón NEXUS kit, stock is reduced, installation is easier, and errors are minimized. Now we're going to perform the installation on this BMW X5. Once we've run the wiring into the interior of the vehicle, and with the help of the instructions, we can see through the app. We'll see where it needs to be connected. Due to the versatility of the NEXUS kit, the wiring is provided with enough length to make the connection at either the front or the rear. In this case, we'll have to cut the wiring and leave it located in the rear right section of this BMW. Given the versatility of this product, we find that the CAN bus line wiring, which would prevent it from being easily run into the vehicle, is loose. We'll just have to do the following. Once we've inserted this end into the vehicle, we'll connect the two positive cables that go into the two free slots that we see right here. The connector is a unique connector, so there's no way we can get it wrong. Next, the auxiliary cable and the CAN bus wiring. The Aragón NEXUS kit has a switched positive and a direct positive if their connection is required. The wiring is available on our website. On this occasion, it's not being used. We'll use a screw to attach it to the vehicle's grounding point. The app is very intuitive. We select the make and model, and we can select the mounting instructions. And here we can locate where we'll have to connect the wiring. In this BMW, we'll connect the orange-green to the orange-red of the installation, and the orange-brown to the yellow-brown cable of the vehicle's installation. We'll leave the orange-brown cable with the yellow-brown of the vehicle's installation. We'll do the first click by hand. The next one with the pliers, yellow-red with the orange-green from our installation. First click by hand, and that's how the connection is made. And we will place the positive using the ring in this position. We will place the fuse to reprogram the trailer module, placing the phone on top of the trailer module, and in a few seconds it will be reprogrammed. It is very important not to separate the phone from the trailer module until the software has finished loading. With the help of double-sided adhesive tape, we will attach our trailer module to the interior of the vehicle. You can see how quickly and easily the Aragón NEXUS is reprogrammed for this BMW.